Guys, get ready with me to do a Z-Coin battle with my sister when she gets home. Me and Evie are going live on Zigazoo to do a Z-Coin battle. 4 o'clock CST time, right? Or EST time. I really don't know what time, but 4 o'clock for me. And we're going to be battling who can get the most gifts on Zigazoo, so make sure you're there. I've decided I'm not getting ready in my bathroom anymore. I seriously need to get a vanity. There's something so much better about having a vanity to get ready with than having to like stand in your bathroom and like have bad lighting. I just need to find space in my room because my room is so much smaller compared to my old room. Today, me and my sisters walked to one of our favorite snack shacks and got dirty sodas at like 8 o'clock in the morning. So just don't judge. Don't even hate me for that. Okay, a girl gets what a girl wants, and my stomach did hurt a little bit after, but it tasted so good in the moment. Tonight we have youth as well, so right after we hop off of this live, we are going to be going to youth group. The new thing I've been doing recently is spraying my brush with like my mist and then blending things out. Let me just find out that Brandy is literally closing down their fitting rooms. Not like I live by one, so it doesn't really affect me, but like that is so annoying. Like when I go down to Miami, I want to be able to go to Brandy, but now it just makes me not care to go. Oh my gosh, guys, I bedazzled my Tower 28 lid. It's so cute. I'm like obsessed with this concealer. Well, I was for real looking back at some of my old videos, and I was just like looking at the wonders telescopic mascara did for my eyelashes. The moment though, because like the after effects were insane. Like what do you mean you just ripped out like 20 lashes? I get it so bad, but I don't want my eyelashes to like go through what they had to go through in the past. Like I really tortured my lashes, if I'm being honest with you guys. Anyways, now I'm off to curl my hair because I love you guys so much. Bye.